Hi, I'm Isabel Suarez with Cisco Systems, working in services. I want to talk to you in this short presentation about the case for workshops and how I've used that as a way to generate incredible results. By combining the power of process, technology, and facilitator together in a compressed amount of time, we are able to generate ICE, innovation, collaboration, and efficiency. This being so well described in the book Collaboration Imperatives by Ron Ritchie and Carl Wise. Workshops allow us to achieve true collaboration, specifically by having all of the people together in a very short amount of time and combining process, technology, and facilitator. It promotes strong collaboration and buy-in from all those participants. It allows us to work with large amount of data in a very short amount of time. So workshops drastically accelerate the overall desired outcome, and they are a very flexible solution that get tailored to meet your desired needs. A little bit more about those workshops. They can be used for a number of things, whether it's strategic objectives or operational objectives. As soon as you get multiple participants who you need to get together to discuss, solve, and agree to outcomes, or more importantly, buy in to the process and the outcomes, workshop is the right solution for you. Any complex effort where by getting people together you can drastically increase the successful completion of your project. Or if you want to gain shared agreement at different points of in a program, and I'll talk a little bit more about that in a second. So workshops are, as I said, an incredible way to combine in a very short amount of time process, technology, and facilitators. You can have your participants either co-located face-to-face or join in virtually, or you can even have a combination. The duration of the workshop is obviously directly related to the complexity of the projects you want to tackle, the depth at which you want to have the discussions, and the number of participants. This is an example on the upper part of this slide of how you can think of workshops at different phases of your projects for different purposes. You can have workshops for visioning, for example, or for stakeholder engagement, etc., as you can see on this slide. And here we see how all of the participants at the bottom slide can join in at the same time and participate all together. The camera at the center bottom right corner shows you how everything is videoed so that the participants on the phone can also see the visual expressions of the participants in the room. All workshops follow a standard approach where you need to customize the workshop before it so that you make sure that it matches your needs. By customizing, we mean determining your objectives, an agenda, and customizing Nextnote, which is the technology, along with WebEx that we use for those workshops. You need to identify your participants, where they're going to participate from, the related logistics, and most workshops have SMEs who are required to present some information to bring everybody up to speed on the programs. During the workshops, it obviously depends on your desired outcomes. Those are examples of what you could achieve. Post-workshops, by using the technology during the workshop, you end up with everything captured online immediately during and after the workshop. Those often turn into action items, which as a program manager you will want to follow up and drive to conclusion. So in conclusions, workshops are incredibly powerful in unleashing the true power of collaboration. I strongly recommend you to consider this as your standard approach to accelerate your business results.